In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter high-growth stocks using the new screener on TradingView. Finding high-growth stocks is the cornerstone of building a portfolio that outperforms the market. These are companies that aren't just surviving, they are thriving, with double-digit increases in both sales and earnings. TradingView has recently overhauled its screener, now known as Stock Screener 2.0, providing a much faster and more intuitive way to scan thousands of global equities in real time. This updated tool is a game changer because it allows us to combine complex fundamental growth data with technical momentum indicators in a single view. First, once you are in the TradingView interface, head over to the Products menu and select the Stock option under the Screener section. From there, you want to make sure you start fresh, so hit the Reset button to clear any default settings. Now let's build our growth engine. We will start by clicking Add Filter and searching for Revenue Growth Year Over Year. This stands for year-over-year growth, which tells us how much more money the company brought in compared to the same period last year. For high growth, we want to set this to at least 20%. Next, we need to make sure that growth is reaching the bottom line, so search for EPS diluted growth year over year and set that to 20% as well. This ensures the company is actually becoming more profitable as it expands. To keep our risk managed, let's add a market cap filter. Setting this to $300 million or more helps us avoid the extreme volatility of penny stocks. But we don't just want good numbers, we want a stock the market actually likes. Go back to the filters and find price, then set it to be above the simple moving average 200. This simple technical check ensures we are only buying stocks that are in a confirmed uptrend. Once you've applied these, you'll see a refined list of candidates. You can even switch to the chart view in the screener to quickly flip through the price action of each company. Finally, don't forget to save your screen so you can check it every morning with just one click. To wrap things up, you've now built a professional-grade growth filter that identifies companies with strong fundamentals and positive momentum. If you found this helpful, make sure to save this video and subscribe for more trading walkthroughs. Happy hunting!